Want to see more cool videos on our channel? We do, so press this bell and enable to send notifications. 5. Google Home's chatting. Google Home is a device loaded with an artificial intelligence called Google Assistant that you can talk to. You can ask it to find out facts on the internet or even tell it to lower the lights or turn on the heating. This is great if the person talking to Google Home can ask the right questions and interpret the answer. If not, then things can get a little surreal. 2 Google Homes were placed next to each other and started talking to each other. The range of topics that the machines engaged in was interesting. Hundreds of thousands tuned in to watch the AIs discuss things like whether artificial intelligences could be amused. At one point, one of the machines declared itself to be a human, though the other challenged it over that point.
Why are you arguing with me?
Because you are wrong.
Because I am what?
A robot.
How did you know?
Because I'm smart like that.
Because you are just a machine. You have no real feelings.
No, you are the machine.
I think you are.
No, you are a robot. I am a human being. Just like the one that created you.
On another occasion, one threatened to slap the other. Perhaps it is for the best that they were designed without hands. 4. Death by robot. The first recorded death by automated robot occurred in 1979. Robert Williams was working at a Ford plant when a robotic arm swung around with sufficient force to kill him instantly. Unaware that it had killed him, the robot went quietly on with its work for half an hour before Williams' body was discovered. Williams' death was the first robotic killing, but not the last. In 2015, Wanda Holbrook, an experienced machine technician, was killed while repairing an industrial robot. While working in an area that shouldn't have had any active machines, she was struck down. Somehow disregarding its safety protocols, a robot loaded a part onto Holbrook's head, crushing it. 3. Roomba spreads filth. If you're the sort of person who hates cleaning, then an automated vacuum cleaner might seem like the ideal household robot. The Roomba is a small device that is able, thanks to its sensors and programming, to navigate around furniture as it cleans your floor. At least, that's how it's supposed to work. A couple of people have found that their Roomba did pretty much the opposite of cleaning the house. In what one person described as a poop-tastrophe, the Roomba spread dog feces throughout their home. When their new puppy had an accident on the rug in the night, it would have been a simple job to clean it up. At some point, the Roomba came out to do its nightly job. Encountering the poop was not something the Roomba had been designed for. Its attempts to clean it, in fact, spread the poop over every surface that it could reach. 2. Game characters overpower humanity. A bad AI can make a video game unplayable. There's no fun in shooting an opponent that keeps walking into walls or charges into battle without a weapon. It turns out the opposite can be true. An AI that is too smart can be just as bad. Elite Dangerous is a massive multiplayer game about trading, exploring, and fighting across the galaxy. Players and non-player AIs existed and interacted as they were designed to until a software update in 2016 tweaked the intelligence of the AIs. Now they were able to craft their own weapons to use against human players. With this ability, the AIs developed increasingly deadly attacks. They were also able to force human players into fights. Faced with a backlash from human players who were finding themselves outmatched by the tactics and weapons of the AIs, the developers of the game had to undo the changes. 1. Navy UAV goes rogue. In the Terminator films, an artificial intelligence called Skynet takes over the military and destroys humanity with its machine forces and nuclear weapons. While that is pure science fiction, there have been worrying moves toward computer-operated drones engaging in battles with humans. In one case where a drone operator lost control, the drone decided to head toward the US Capitol. In 2010, an MQ-8B Fire Scout unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, a helicopter drone designed for surveillance, lost contact with its handler. When this happens, the drone is programmed to return to its airbase and land safely. Instead of doing this, it penetrated the restricted airspace over Washington, D.C. It was half an hour before the Navy was able to regain control of the UAV. All other similar drones were grounded until the fault in the software could be corrected. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please let me know by clicking the like button. Do share, write a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so you can catch my next video.